How you going, guys? So I'm in Aquaria Klcc, and I think it cost about $30. At the moment I'm in the octopuses and shipwreck part of the thing. I've just seen some otters. There was otters in here. I've seen so much stuff so far. Yeah, padded sharks, padded stingrays. There's a chest. But yeah, it's so good. There's so much stuff to see. So many interesting things I've seen so far. Here is so much cool stuff. Snowflake eels. Demon stinger. There's so much to see. Yeah, anyway, so far so good. This is awesome. Yeah, we had something to eat outside. You can get food out the front as well. There's a food hall. And yeah, just heaps of cool stuff. Alright, take it easy, guys. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Cheers.
You whisper good morning so gently in my ear. I'm coming back to you, baby. I'll soon be there. I'll soon be there.
Right, so we're in Aquaria Klcc.
There's a giant eel. Look at the walkway.
Moves along.
There's a shark den.
Yeah, we're going to see a shark.
Oh, there's a shark. Yeah. Heaps of cool stuff so far. There's been so much. It's well worth it. I recommend coming here.
Look at the bubbles over there.
Yeah, it's cool how this thing moves along and you don't have to walk at all. It's awesome.
Oh, look at them.
Oh, there's a shark again.
Whoa, that's a big shark.
There's a big shark.
Is he coming this way? That's huge.
Yeah, I don't want to spoil it for you, so lots of fun. You have a good day. See you guys.